Hey guys, this is Miss Johnson. So today we're going to go over just a couple of basics about Google Classroom. So how to get to it, how to sign in, and how to enroll in your classes. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the web address. The web address for Google Classroom is classroom.google.com. So you're going to sign in with your school account. Alright, so now that we're logged in, there's a couple of easy ways to join classes. The first one is if your teacher has already sent you an invitation. So if that's the case, just go ahead and click join in the corner and it'll take you right to the class. The second way is by using your class code. So you're going to go to this plus sign up in the corner that says join class. You're going to type in your class code. And you're going to click join. Now that we're in our class, we'll go over the three tabs at the top. So the page that will first pop up is called your stream. On the left side it has upcoming work. On the right side it has announcements from your teachers. The second tab is your classwork tab. So that one's going to have all of your class materials and assignments. And your third tab is called people. This tab makes it really easy to contact your teachers. All you have to do is click the tab, click the envelope that says email, and it'll open a new tab that emails that teacher directly. Alright, so that's everything that we're going to cover in this video. Don't be afraid to reach out to your teachers if you have any questions. We look forward to working with you guys, and let's make this a focused, strong year.